Hi friends, and in today's video, I've been looking forward to this one probably more than you have because I wanted to show you what I got from my recent trip to Italy and my kind of little shopping haul, but I've been keeping them in boxes just so I can film an unboxing, and I've been not wearing those clothes because I wanted to show you them first. So, most of it are shoes, but there's one accessory that I've been wanting for so long, and I am just couldn't be happier because it's special. You'll see. It's not just an accessory, it's something unique. And let's start with my first pair of shoes. So, we're gonna start with this beautiful pair from Churches. Got this in Italy, and I brought it in a box, which I usually never do, but for the sake of the video for you guys, just so you can see the whole process, how it comes, and just make it extra special. So this is a pair of shoes that I needed, that are classic and that are timeless. It's this beautiful pair of Churches shoes. I love them so much. They're so comfortable and they're so classy, timeless. They go with everything, even with this outfit that I'm wearing. I think they will go in perfectly. I just think they're so just classy and a must-have in any wardrobe. Something of this style is definitely always a must-have. So, welcome to my collection, and these are perfect for like fall and springtime and just for very European weather. Next pair of shoes is we have these babies, and this I've been wanting for a really long time, and I had to order it twice because the first time around I got my size wrong because apparently they come a little too small, so you have to size up, and so this took even longer, but nonetheless it was worth the while, worth the wait. These are the Loewe and On collaboration sneakers. Just look at this beauty. Also, I needed a pair of new sneakers because mine are all dead, so I needed an update. And look at these, classy black. They come in so many different colors. I've been debating getting the black one or the orange one, but because I just needed a replacement for just classic pair of sneakers, I went with the black. And I just love them so much. They're also so comfortable. I got a size 38. Usually when buying sneakers, I buy 37, but I am actually size 36. So keep that in mind if you are interested in getting these, that these come small. And I also love that it comes with this beautiful dust bag for each pair, as well as an extra pair of laces. And one more thing, I love that you don't have to tie these because this is a rubber lace, so saves you time, more practical. Yeah, new addition to my collection. Next up, we have a pair of ballerinas. So, this is a dust bag. obviously. I love that these ballerina flats come in a dust bag like this because it's so travel friendly. Also got this in Italy. So, I got a pair of classic sequined black ballerina flats from a brand called Ballarat, which specializes in making ballerinas. Each pair is handmade in Rome by local masters, artisans, and I think that just makes each pair so extra special. I just couldn't leave Italy without getting them. Just look at them. They're so comfortable. They're true to size. I'm a 36, so I got a 36. And also one thing you have to know, if you are interested in buying Ballarat flats, you have to book a trip to Italy because they are cheaper when you buy them in Italy because they have special competitive prices for like locally, but they are a bit more expensive if you were to order them online, even in Europe. So keep that in mind and book your next trip to Italy to get a pair of these. I actually got 2 pairs from this brand. Second pair, blue velvet loafers, which actually like inspired by the, men's style shoe, which I love even more because they're also so elegant, timeless, they go with everything, and just so... I also love the sole of it because it's really practical. It's not so fragile, and they're actually really, really comfortable. I was debating on getting either the black one or the blue one, but I thought the blue navy just looked more interesting and deeper, and also, yeah, so got 2 pairs from Ballarat. Last but not least, I have a pair of sunglasses. Doesn't look like a regular sunglass case, does it? Now, no, because these are the Loewe Transformer sunglasses. Trust me, I didn't know they were folding like this. I was gonna buy them just because I liked them, but when they showed me the case and they folded it up, I was like, what? But yeah, look at this. I bet you've never seen a pair of sunglasses like this. Voila. There you go. I've been wanting heart-shaped sunglasses for a really, really long time. I know Saint Laurent does them. So did Gucci in the few past seasons. And Chloe. Because Saint Laurent are a bit too small for me. Gucci, I didn't have a chance to see them at all. But I did get to see this in Italy, and this was just a must-buy. And then you fold it back, press this part, this, and voila. And you can just pop it in your bag. I've never seen sunglasses like this, but I think all sunglasses should be Transformer because look how much space it saves. And it looks so cute. It looks like a coin pouch or something like that, but nope, it's my sunglass case. So, this brings us to the end of my little haul of shoes because I've been buying a lot of clothes but not a lot of shoes, which I've been running out of because I sold some and some are just worn out. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I can definitely say that I did enjoy because now I can start wearing them. I filmed all the unboxing and I really hope you enjoyed it. You discovered some new brands like Ballarat, and please let me know what was your favorite item in this haul, and I'll see you in the next one.